Hello gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you here for the first time, I am Jordan and I post weekly videos on all things beauty, health, lifestyle, fitness, you name it, I got you. So to make sure you're subscribed if you're not, that way you never miss any of my videos. But today's video I'm showing you guys how I did these Marley Twists. These cute Marley Twists. These are actually about a month old. So I will probably only be having like another week or so with these in here. So I wanted to go ahead and film a video to get it out to you guys on how I did this style. Very easy, very simple. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video on how I did this style. Hope you enjoy. So one of the most important parts is parting. Parting really makes or breaks a style. Luckily with Kinky Twist, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but what I like to do is to use a rat tail comb and use the end of the hair, and I like to do larger sections at first by sliding it directly down and then breaking up the smaller pieces as I go. I use a Detangle brush to detangle my hair. Again, this is on stretched hair. This was air dried in curl formers, and that just makes it so much easier to maneuver and manipulate. Here I am taking 2 strands of the Kinky Twist, and I am going to actually go through this part kind of fast, just generally explaining that I start with a braid and then end up in a twist. And then next I'll show you the technique that I use to do this. But starting with a braid helps me secure the hair just more easily. Now, my braiding method is a method that I just made on my own, which you've probably seen before, but I always split my section in half of my real hair, and I put the synthetic hair in between the 2 parts of my real hair, and then I just do a braid down as if I would my own natural hair. And with this, it makes it look like it's growing out the scalp, and it's just easier for me this way because I do not have to do the knots. And again, I braid a few braids down. I don't really have an exact science, just to when the hair feels secure, and then I just twist the remainder of the way down. And the twisting part goes by fairly quickly. I'll show this again. Again, I split my real hair in half and I put the synthetic hair in between those 2 sides of my real hair. I flap the hair over and then just start braiding like it's a single strand braid, or yeah. And then I just start braiding like it's a regular single braid. From there, I just twist the remainder of the way down, and I did this throughout my head. This took me roughly about 3.5, almost 4 hours. Again, I did large sections. I used a total of 3.5 packs. So I would say you need about 3 or 4 packs if you want to do twists the similar size. In here I'm just showing you the remainder that I had of the 4th pack. So that kind of gives you an idea of how much hair you'll need if you use a similar size. And here's the back of my hair. This was a month later because I never filmed this, but that way you can see the size of the sections. We made it! I don't think I ever showed the ends of my hair, but here you can see the color for real. And also, it comes up to about like the end of my waist, almost the top of my hip area. I love the style. It has really been like just a lifesaver to give my hair kind of like a rest. Well, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. I will read those. I do get back to those. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up again if you liked it, as well as to subscribe for more weekly videos. I really hope I see you guys in the next one. Love and light to everyone watching. God bless and deuces. See y'all.